Hey guys, it's Neha, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an teaching you guys how to diffuse your hair. I know a lot of people struggle on this. I did too, but once you know how to do it, it becomes a staple in your curly hair routine. Honestly, when I learned how to diffuse my hair, it changed my entire curl routine. It made me 10 times more confident in wearing my natural hair out. And honestly, once you perfect it once, you just never have to learn it again. It's something that you always know. So without further ado, let's get started. I already styled my hair, but basically what I did was I took a light hold gel and just raked that throughout my hair, and then I took a strong hold gel and just scrunched that lightly throughout my hair. Typically I use a Dyson diffuser, but today I'm using this very cheap one to show you guys that the diffuser doesn't matter, it's the technique. I'm going in with medium heat and medium air. To begin, I'm hovering over my hair to create a gel cast first, and a gel cast is basically hardening the gel on top, which then reduces frizz, locks in moisture, and allows your curl pattern to last longer. And if you're lazy or just want to do your makeup first, you can always just air dry and let the gel cast sit. Next, I'm diffusing the roots first. They do typically take long to dry, so it's better to get the lengthy part out of the way. And this will also minimize frizz and give your hair a lot more volume, as I'm showing here. You can also go in and massage your roots a little bit to accentuate the volume. Now for the rest of the hair, I just like to grab my entire section and just put it under the diffuser. And you want to make sure you're slowly diffusing, because if you do it fast, then you will definitely get some frizz. And I feel like that's the #1 problem when people diffuse, is that they go really fast for some reason and then they just have like a whole frizz ball. So basically I just continue to do that throughout my whole head. And then this little hack for more volume is I place my hand under my roots and then I just diffuse. And I don't know if anyone else does this mistake, but I always forgot to diffuse the back of my head and it was always wet, so make sure you do that as well. And then you want to make sure you're lifting your strands to get the insides of your hair as well. And again, that will just help create volume. Okay, if you encounter any of these frizzy strands, because that is totally normal while diffusing, you just want to take your spray bottle and reactivate the gel in your hair and then just diffuse again. Okay, and then I just continue that process and these steps until I'm done diffusing half of my hair. This is what my hair looks like after it's half dry. So now for my favorite part. I don't know why this is just so like aesthetic to me, but I flip my hair over and just finish diffusing my hair fully, and I feel like this makes like the biggest difference if you are a volume person. And then when my hair is kind of fully dry, I like to scrunch out a little bit of the crunch while I'm diffusing. And then just finishing off my, I don't know what I'm side-eyeing, but just finishing off my diffusing by just flipping my hair over and over again. Now that my hair is fully dry, we are still not done the process. I'm just going to go ahead and shake my roots. And then take my all-time favorite argan oil and just scrunch out the crunch in my hair. This will get out any little crispies in your hair, and I also like to separate some of my strands with the oil still on my hands. Next, I take a climate protection hairspray, and this will basically not only add volume and dry out my hair a little bit if it's still a little bit wet, but also protect my hair from frizz throughout the day. And this is the finished look. I am so obsessed. This diffusing routine is totally foolproof. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys benefit from this video, and let me know what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!